How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Catching Cars. My name is Isaiah, and this right here is the key to our test vehicle today. Thanks to Drive, we have this 2021 Volkswagen T-Roc. This one has the 1.5 TSI engine hooked up to the DSG. So we're gonna go ahead and take this one out on the Autobahn. I'm gonna take you guys along with me for a little Autobahn drive, and then we're gonna see if we can do an acceleration test as well. And after that, I'm gonna give you guys one major pro and one major con that I've noticed during my week with this T-Roc. You guys know me, we're gonna go ahead and turn off all the assistance systems. I'm gonna go ahead and be quiet and let you guys just hear the car for a bit. All right, so we're getting ready to do our acceleration test here. I'll go ahead and put the T-Roc into sport mode. Now this thing does not have launch control. I've tried that already, so there's no need to turn traction control off. We'll just leave it as it is. Go ahead and torque brake it right after this car. Felt very jerky. All right, so that acceleration felt pretty jerky for some reason from this DSG. It doesn't do that all the time, but that was one of the negatives that I wanted to point out to you guys as well. This transmission feels particularly jerky in this T-Roc. I don't know why. Sometimes it's fine, especially if you're going at, like, let's say 80%, it feels great, down a B road or whatever. But sometimes when you're flooring it, this thing feels really, really jerky. That's one of the negatives. Another negative would be the interior quality. So all this is hard touch plastic. It's insane. This right here is like a leatherette material, which is great. This right here on the armrest as well. Speaking of armrest, there's no armrest in the middle here. I think here in Europe you have to option that in. Even though this has the R line, there's no armrest, so that's crazy. But as I said, interior quality, really, really cheap on this T-Roc. I'm not sure what Volkswagen was thinking there. I mean, not even this is soft. This is not soft. Nothing is soft on this T-Roc, and I'm sure these things are not cheap. You know, I haven't looked up the exact price of this one, but I know they're not cheap. But then we'll go ahead and speak about the benefit, or one of the pros that I noticed during the past week, is definitely with this R line, the ride and handling. It's comfortable enough to take along, you know, for a long trip, and you won't feel tired after driving this for about 4 or 5 hours. But if you throw this around a B road, it feels close to like a Golf, almost maybe like a Golf GTI even. I mean, you do feel the weight a bit, and you feel that it's a bit higher than a Golf, but overall very, very similar experience. So I was really impressed by that. But yeah, that'll be it for today. You guys make sure you subscribe, you know, hit the like button, leave a comment down below what you think about the car, maybe what cars you guys want to see next, and I'll see you guys next time.